Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 Sierra is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. To get a quick look at the interior of the Sierra AT4, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push-button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push-button ignition. We have a large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple Carplay, Android Auto, as well dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating. We have the integrated trailer braking system, USB ports and an outlet. Truck does have dual glove boxes, all black interior as well, and are heated and ventilated. Captain's chairs up front with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the truck, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, alloy wheels with a machined face and the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner AT tires. Color matched door handles with keyless entry all around, AT4 on the front door, 6.2-liter plaque on the front fender. The AT4 Sierra does come with the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, making room for those large wheel and tires. We do have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Black grille with the black chrome trim in the middle, signature red tow hooks as well for the AT4. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows and blacked out window trim. At the rear of the Sierra AT4, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, as well as the LED brake lights and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior of the Sierra, second row, a bench 60-40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage. Solid rear window with defrost and a solid roof over top with LED lighting. And the back of our center console there is dual USB ports, as well as rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts from the factory. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.